Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Tempe local and long-distance movers near me. There probably are lots of Tempe, Arizona moving companies that can help you with your move, so what makes 3 movers so different? In addition to our stellar yet affordable services, one of the things that make our cheap movers in Tempe, Arizona different is the care and value we put into every move. We understand very well that no move is the same, and we make sure to listen to our clients first before we come up with a plan. Simply put, we value our customers and their satisfaction more than anything. Are you in the midst of a long-distance move and don't know where to start? That's understandable. Moving from a different state or across the country comes with an extra layer of stress. Not only that, you will transport all your belongings within state lines, but you need to plan everything perfectly so that there are no dead times. But here's the thing, you don't have to do it all by yourself. Instead, you can take help from affordable Tempe movers. While we can't help you with finding a new home and new school for your kids or canceling your old subscriptions, we can help ease the mental load by handling the logistics of your move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Tempe moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online form.